Alright, so we got the Union 4s in the Guava Ice colorway. Now, I know there's plenty of reviews on this shoe, so I will try to make it quick, but I want to go over whether you should hold or sell this shoe, where I think resale is going to be in the future. And I want to swap up the laces just to show different looks for this sneaker, because the laces on the shoe completely changed the whole colorway, and I think you guys are going to like these. Starting off, we do have the box. Pretty interesting. You got the Jordan Hands Union in this yellow lid, blue bottom. Retail price was $250. Bam. The Jordan 4 Union in the Guava Ice colorway. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw images of the shoe before they released, I didn't really like them. I really hated the tongue. I hated how it was folded like that. I'm not gonna lie, they've grown on me and I actually really like them now. You can call me a hype beast. It wouldn't be the first time. But yeah, the colorway is super dope. You got this pink suede material on the upper, some white mesh up here, pink in the heel section, blue heel tab, pink Nike Air logo. Now, one of my favorite parts about the shoe is the translucent little part right here that runs up to the waffles. As you can see, the pink down at the bottom, blue up at the top. I just like that the translucent is kind of faded. It's not super clear. I don't know why. I just think that gives a really nice touch. Then you have yellow netting, the LA Union tag in yellow. White laces running up into this tongue. Like I said, I wasn't a huge fan of the tongue at first. I hated that it was folded down like this. But the great thing about that is you can actually cut the tongue and fold it up like a normal Jordan 4. I've seen a lot of people do that, and in my opinion, it looks way better. But just realize if you do cut that stitching, the shoe is no longer dead stock. You cannot sell at dead stock price. I don't care what anyone says. Someone's always gonna look at that and be like, I don't care if you've worn them or not, you cut it from its original look. So if you're looking to resell the shoe, keep it as is. Talking about resell, this shoe currently is going for around $700, give or take $100 depending on the size. I wouldn't be surprised if the price goes down a little bit once the second drop of Union does happen. Check the description below for all that info. I do think after that drop, these shoes will go down a little bit in value, maybe around $600, but with 6 months after that and further beyond, like a year, these shoes, I can see them getting up to $1,000 again easily. Now, like I said in the video earlier, I'm gonna switch up the laces. I think you guys will enjoy the different laces I put on this shoe. So with that being said, let's get into it.
Guys, so how we're gonna do this, we're gonna take the first color, we're gonna run it through the first 4 loops.
You never really make much music in Dre's basement. A lot of time wasted procrastinating, that shit can get aggravating. But here I am, persistent as could be in this years.
I got it on the first 4 loops. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna run the laces over the tongue, and you guys can see that little strap right there. We're going underneath that, pulling it through the back, as you guys can see right there. And then what you're gonna wanna do is tie it up in the back, and that's pretty much just gonna sit in the back of the shoe while you're wearing it. Then we're gonna take the other color, run it flat, and pretty much just restart the lacing system until we're done. Honestly, I think this is the best look for these Unions. I really like the white and pink laces I did on the right shoe. I think that one came out really nicely.
Look, I'm out here stunting like it was 2 of me. I'm on my 5th glass of sangria, it tastes like juice to me. See me in a space that's different than where I used to be. Things progress so beautifully, making the right decisions while avoiding all buffoonery.
And bam, the Jordan 4 Union Guava Ice. Let me know what you think of this shoe. What do you think of the colorway, the collaboration? What do you think resale is gonna be? Let me know all that good stuff down in the comment section below. Make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out. Oh, I thought it wasn't recording.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than